In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Monday.com. If you want to streamline communication and save time when sending repeated emails, using an email template inside Monday.com is a great option. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get started by connecting the Gmail integration and selecting a template that works for sending emails to a contact. To begin, open your Monday.com board where you want this email workflow to live. Once you're on the board, look for the Integrate button. This is where Monday.com lets you connect outside tools and automations to your board, including email services like Gmail. Go ahead and click Integrate to open the available integration options. After the integrations panel appears, find and select Gmail. This will open the Gmail integration recipes that Monday.com provides. These recipes are designed to help you automate actions, and in this case, you'll want to focus on one that includes sending an email to someone. This is important because not every template will be built for the exact action you need. Take a moment here to look through the available options and choose a template that clearly includes an email being sent to a person or contact. Once you've selected the appropriate template, the next step is to connect it. Click Connect to begin linking Gmail to Monday.com. This connection allows your board to use Gmail for sending messages through the automation template you just chose. Depending on your setup, Monday.com may prompt you to authorize the Gmail account, so make sure you follow the on-screen instructions to complete that connection properly. After the connection is made, you'll be in a much better position to customize and use your email template within your workflow. Choosing the correct template from the beginning is especially helpful because it ensures the automation is built around the right kind of email action, which can save you editing time later. A quick tip before you finish: always double check that the template you choose matches the type of communication you want to send. If your board includes contact details for different people, selecting the right email-based recipe will help keep your process organized and reliable. That's it for this setup process. You've opened integrations, selected Gmail, chosen a template that sends an email to a person, and connected it so it can be used in Monday.com. Once this is in place, you're ready to continue building a smoother, more automated email workflow.